Welcome back, everybody. We are in Hendersonville, Tennessee. Corbin's out.
Hello.
And my son Aaron is behind the camera. We are going to make a burger that I've made on my own YouTube channel a bunch of times. And there it is, the Sweet and Sassy Island Burger. Let's give it up for the Sweet and Sassy Island Burger. Who wants one? But I haven't made it here, and we call it the Sweet and Sassy
Island Burger.
Yoo-hoo!
Let's give it a try.
We're missing an igniter on our Blackstone griddle. Someone stole our igniter. So we got the Blackstone griddle on medium. This thing's burning pretty darn hot. It could be high, it could be low. So you need to know what your griddle can do, whether it's 1, 2, 3, or 4 burners. We're kind of medium-ish today. We got a little bit of olive oil going down. A real thin 80-20 patty. And this is gonna be our take, my take, on the famous Red Robin Banzai Burger. I call it the Sweet and Sassy Island Burger. We can press these down if we want to. That's the beauty of course, being on the flat top, because we're not worried about having an open flame, right? There's no flare up here. All right, let's go in for the flip. Oh! Look at, who was that? That was good. Woo! Pineapple slices right here. Put them down on the griddle top again. Hopefully just get a little bit of color on them. Get those sugars to caramelize a little bit. Season up that second side as well. You know, personal taste. You don't have to use sweet teriyaki. You could use, if I wasn't using this, I'd just be using salt, pepper, garlic. A little bit of Colby Jack here. We'll kind of spread these out. Okay. And of course, you could use Swiss as well, but I was in the store. I was torn between a white cheese and a yellow cheese, and Colby Jack said, I can be both.
We're getting sweet and we're getting sassy.
So pineapple rings, we're gonna put these right down on top of the cheese like this, folks. A lot of people have been putting the mayo on the buns for years to toast them up, and I used to use butter. Used to kind of make fun of it. Started doing it, it's wonderful. You really do get a better, colorful, kind of a crispier, but yet moist inside bun. Raw, fresh onion on these, folks.
Ain't nothing wrong with a little crunch.
So we got the heels toasted up on these. We're not looking to burn these, just a little bit of color, just a look at that, a little bit of crunch, that's what we're after. Something like that. Oh, that one's perfect right there. All right, look at that, we're going in. We're going sweet and sassy. Oh, but folks, we're not done yet. We're not done yet. A little bit of cilantro down on top. My favorite, of course, folks, always going to be the Mystery Yoshidas. Unfortunately, couldn't find it this morning, so we're going with the Soya Island Teriyaki. And we're just going to put a little bit on here. We don't want the burgers to be soaked. So we're going to put a little bit of this on top. A little bit of lettuce on top. The Sweet and Sassy Island Burger. Oh my goodness, folks. I'm gonna say this. I think Corbin just played it up the prettiest version that I've ever seen.
I'm making a double patty, a little extra onion on there.
Let's give it a try. I'm going upside down. Look at that dripping down my knuckles. We did it with a beef patty. Somebody just almost wrecked a Hummer over there. We did it with a beef patty, but you can certainly do it with chicken. It's our take on kind of the Red Robin Banzai Burger, and we call it the Sweet and Sassy Island Burger. So until next time, everybody, this is Todd and all of my friends in Hendersonville, Tennessee. We're saying praise the Lord and pass the Sweet and Sassy Island Burger.
Booyah!